Fairfax CORE, the go-to resource to connect aspiring entrepreneurs and business owners with experts to start and grow businesses in Fairfax County.
Starting a business can be really exciting, but can also be confusing. Fairfax CORE does the legwork for you, bringing together information and resources into one place, including business startup guides to get you started and growth guides that keep you going in the right direction. The Mason Small Business Development Center is proud to be a resource partner featured on Fairfax CORE. Our business counselors are ready to work one-on-one with entrepreneurs to help them get through the next step on their journey. From business planning to access to capital to workshops and training, find us on Fairfax CORE.
Women-owned businesses are on the rise, and women in underserved communities often require unique support to overcome barriers to starting a business. The Fairfax CORE Resource Navigator allows entrepreneurs and business owners to identify and connect with the organizations that are here to support them. You will find more than 100 free business support organizations segmented by your unique needs that are eager to help. Find the Women's Business Center of Northern Virginia on Fairfax CORE. We support entrepreneurship efforts for all businesses, focusing on the conceptual through year 2 stage for women, low income, and underserved communities. From emerging entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, micro businesses, and evolving establishments, Fairfax CORE will help you connect with the right network.
Whether you're located in Fairfax County, including the towns of Clifton, Herndon, Vienna, or Fairfax City, in a commercial location or home-based, learn how the local economic development organizations can help you.
And if you are to do things right the first time.
We offer dedicated courses and assistance for every stage of business and every location across Fairfax County. Fairfax CORE features dozens of upcoming events, activities, networking opportunities, and education links for you to connect, learn, and grow.
Find us on Fairfax CORE.
The Southeast Fairfax Development Corporation is one of many organizations in Fairfax County that's dedicated to supporting small businesses, and we also include a focus on community revitalization. Helping new businesses and assisting growing businesses is a key component to our work. We offer support to find the right site, understand development opportunities, and create vibrant commercial districts that attract visitors and shoppers. Find us on Fairfax CORE to learn about the unique opportunities along the Richmond Highway corridor.
Obtaining credit and managing finances is one of the most important questions entrepreneurs have. The Financial Empowerment Center helps entrepreneurs during the early stages of their journey. Find us at Fairfax CORE to receive one-on-one coaching to guide you through the complexities and challenges of creating a business. We can help with business planning, setting goals, and growth strategies to help you for the long-term success. Y ofrecemos servicios en español, and we provide services in many languages. Additionally, when you visit Fairfax CORE, you can use the Translate button to immediately translate all the core content to the language of your choice. Encuéntranos en Fairfax CORE.
Find us on Fairfax CORE.
Fairfax CORE will help you connect.
Find us on Fairfax CORE.
Find us on Fairfax CORE.
Fairfax CORE. Check us out on fairfaxcore.com.